Hi everyone, it's your girl Gina. Thanks again for stopping by. Today's short video is to show you how you can extract images that might be embedded into a Word document. Often I get from my clients when I'm working on either a WordPress project or I'm helping them create digital products or the like, they'll send me over a Word document and they would have all of the images and things embedded there or, sitting in that document. So this is one of my documents, which is a tool that I give away on my website. And if you scroll down with me for a minute, you'll see that this document has lots and lots of images that I use to demonstrate what this document is all about. So what I want to do now is I want to take all of these images and I want to export them so that I can utilize them in another way. There used to be a time I used to do like I think a lot of people do. I would highlight it, I'd right click, and then I would do change picture or format picture, or I'd have to cut and copy and paste it into something else and then save it as a picture and yada, yada, yada. So sometime back, it's been a long time now that I stumbled across this tool, and it was in a recent conversation that I was having with somebody, and I realized that, oh, gee, there are lots of people who may not know about this feature. So, of course, I made a video. So here goes. The first thing we want to do, we have the document open, and we want to go over here to where it says, you click on that, where it says Save As. And depending on the version of Word you have, it might look a little different. I'm still rocking my 2007, but hey, don't judge. So we want to do a save as, and I don't want to use any of the defaults. So I'm going to go down here to where it says other formats. And what I'm looking for is where it says save as type. I'm going to go down here and I'm going to change it to say web page filtered. Now, a word of caution. You want to make sure that before you save this document, you either know that the original document is no longer of use to you in its current format. And if it is, you want to go ahead and rename this document. And the way to do that is to go down here. You want to save it as something different. And then in addition to that, depending on what you're using this for, if you were going to actually use this online, you would come down here and change the title. But we're not using it online. We're just extracting. And I'm just going to leave it the way it is because I don't care if it, for the sake of demo. But if you are concerned about that, for sure, go ahead and give it. Why don't I just do that? I'll change it to demo 2 just for demonstration purposes. So I want to save that. And it's giving me the warning about what I was just sharing with you, and that is reminding me that this applying this feature is going to remove some of the specific tags or some of the other features that might be in the document. So you just want to be aware of that before you click yes. So I'm going to go ahead and click yes. So what happened is I just got basically a web page created. Because if you look up here and if you know anything about HTML and what happens on the web, this extension means that this is really a web page. All right, so that's really what I'm not interested in Word is picking out, but I can still show you what just happened. If we minimize it, and there's my beautiful granddaughter, I have her as my screensaver. So here's the folder that was created from the action, and this is the document, and this is the folder that got created right here. So if I click on that folder, here are all of the images that were contained in that document before I did the extraction. So it's as simple as that, and now I can do what I need with these images without having to click on every single one, and I can just go and do what I have to do. So if you thought that this was a useful information, I really would appreciate you sharing it with your circles. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go right ahead now and click that subscribe button for me. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.